In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create apps for free with lovable or open source alternatives. If you want to build applications without spending money, you have two solid paths. The first is using the free tier of Lovable, which gives you a limited number of monthly credits. The second is going fully open source with tools like Open Lovable or other local alternatives, which cost nothing but require a bit more setup. Let's start with Lovable's free tier. Head to the Lovable website and create a free account. With the free tier, you typically receive around 30 credits each month. Think of credits as a monthly budget you use when generating or iterating on features. To make those credits go further, plan small, focused changes and reuse what you've already built rather than triggering large regenerations. Keep an eye on your usage in the dashboard so you aren't surprised when you hit the limit. If you do run out, you can simply wait for the next monthly reset rather than upgrading, which keeps your costs at zero. This path is great if you want a quick, guided experience with minimal setup and are comfortable working within those monthly limits. Now, if you want to avoid limits entirely, go the open source route with clones like Open Lovable or similar local tools. This approach is completely free, but you'll likely do a bit of technical setup. You'll visit the project's repository, review the README to see what tools it requires, often a runtime like Node.js or Python, and then clone the repository to your computer. After that, you'll install the dependencies using your system's package manager from a terminal and run the app locally. It's important to follow the project's instructions closely, especially around prerequisites and environment setup. If you're new to terminals, take it step by step. Install the required runtime first, confirm it's working, then proceed to install the project's dependencies. The upside here is full control, no usage caps, and the ability to customize the code as much as you like. So which option should you choose? Pick Lovable's free tier if you want speed and a simplified interface, and your project fits comfortably within a small monthly credit budget. Choose an open source clone if you prefer total freedom, don't mind a terminal workflow, and want to run everything on your own machine. Whichever path you take, start small, confirm each step works, and build up from there. That way you'll keep momentum and avoid hitting roadblocks. Happy building!